Hey folks, myself Akhil from DemoCreatorVirtualPresenters, and today I want to show you all how to become a virtual YouTuber and get it started as a VTuber. Virtual YouTuber is the latest trend and is gaining popularity now. So I wanted to show you all how you can also become a virtual YouTuber and use AI virtual presenter to make videos, which is one of the best ways to make videos without showing your own face. It is so easy and convenient that even if you are new to video making, you can use it to become a VTuber in 2022. Simply choose an avatar and record yourself using Webcam and your video will be ready. That's why this video is going to be very useful, so watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment, and you can also become a VTuber. But before I start, if you are new to Demo Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So now let's begin to know how to become a virtual YouTuber and get it started as a VTuber. And for this we will be using Wondershare DemoCreator. Yes, you heard it right. DemoCreator is evolving with each update, and its latest update brings a new feature called as a DemoCreator Metahuman. Its AI virtual presenters can literally transform learning experiences. With this, we can turn ourselves into cartoon virtual human, and it will track even our small activities, which includes our eyes, ears, and even pupils, using its machine learning. It also tracks move of head or hand. Just talk into mic and the avatar will lip sync in real time. So you can use it to show whatever you want to, just 3 steps, and you can craft a digital woman's video using Wondershare DemoCreator Metahuman Virtual Presenter. It also offers unique media with wide range of assets, comes with motion capture. There are so many avatars available to choose from, and the best thing is no special skills are required to make quality video. That's insane features and capabilities. Let's give it a try. I have already installed Wondershare DemoCreator latest version. You can also do the same by following the link in description and pin comment. Once installed, you can open Wondershare DemoCreator from the app list. Here we have Wondershare DemoCreator with its various features and capabilities. Now from here select Virtual Human. Here is our Virtual Human dashboard. From here we can set it up. At top we have many options. From here we can select a virtual avatar for ourselves. We will find so many options to choose from. You can choose any of these. Let's select this one. From here we can choose a virtual background. You can select any of these. Let's choose this one. From here we can select webcam, and from here we can turn on mic or system sound. We can also align virtual person according to our webcam so that it can perfectly move in sync with us. Once we are ready, we can simply click on record and start recording. Now whatever we do on our webcam will be replicated by this virtual human avatar, and once we are done, we can simply click on this to stop recording. This will open output options dialog box. From here we can fast export video or re-record. Now if you want to make further edits, you can open Wondershare DemoCreator Video Editor and make edits to your video. And if you want to know more on how to edit videos using Wondershare DemoCreator, you can watch this video from my channel. There are so many ways in which you can present yourself using Wondershare Metahuman feature, and if you have your unique idea, then share it on YouTube, and you can also win big prizes with Wondershare DemoCreator Virtual Presenter campaign. Just share our videos on YouTube using DemoCreator Virtual Presenters hashtag in title. After that, you can submit your videos to this page and stand a chance to win $200 cash prize, Logitech C92X Pro webcam, and Wondershare DemoCreator free licenses. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in description and pin comment to use Wondershare DemoCreator to become a virtual YouTuber and get it started as a VTuber. On top, you can also win big prizes. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Develop Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.